Welcome to the Mistr Plan Finder, powered by American Exchange. Many people qualify for free health insurance via the Affordable Care Act, ACA, and the Mistr Plan Finder will help you find the plan that will cover your brand name PrEP medications, Descovy or Truvada, with just a couple of clicks. Getting health insurance has never been so easy. No phone call required. You just need to answer a few questions about income, citizenship, employment status, then select a plan option. The Mistr Plan Finder will show you the best plan that covers your PrEP medications. Should your tax credits not cover the monthly premium, Mistr and its partners will cover up to $150 of your monthly premium, which will likely leave you with no cost. If your monthly premium is over $150, American Exchange will bill you for the amount over $150. You can pay your portion online each month through American Exchange's electronic invoice link. In order to maintain program eligibility, you must remain current with any invoices with American Exchange, should you have any. And most important, you must be actively taking your PrEP medication prescribed through Mistr. Again, most people should qualify for free health insurance with no monthly premium through the Mistr Plan Finder. But if you choose a plan where you are responsible for part of the monthly premium, invoices must be paid within 30 days of receipt, or your plan will be canceled by the insurance company. Get started now. If you have any questions, please call 888-597-0309 or email mr@americanexchange.com.